Astoria here in Oregon, and today is quite a cold day, but we are going to go on a little Goonie walk and try and find some of the sets and stuff. We've only watched it once, but yep, it's quite cold here in Astoria, but we're going to make the most of it and hope that it doesn't rain too much. So let's go. Now, Astoria isn't the typical famous cruise port, and it gets about 10 cruise ships per year, but this settlement is the oldest settlement on the western side of America, known for its gold rush era as well as many films including The Goonies and Free Willy. Astoria, we've got to clear US customs, which basically means that we've got to provide our esters and everything in Astoria, so there's a bit of a delay on getting out, but we're hoping we get out there about 8:30. The immigration bit, and basically what we need to do is give our passport and our esters. It's quite a long queue and it takes quite a long time, so I'll let you know how it goes. USA, and the sun has decided to come out, and we've got our little sticker meaning that we can get in and out of the USA, which is great. Immigration took quite a long time. I don't know if it's like this for all ports, but just make sure that you're on time when they say go and do it, otherwise it's just going to be quite a long queue. But we're next to the ship right now. It's a nice and sunny day. We're ready to go and explore Astoria. Yeah! So despite the rain, Astoria is a really beautiful town and very walkable. So the old town is about 20 minutes from the port. However, we took the river walk quite a way down until we got to the Goonies house, and this was full of wildlife and nature and just some spectacular coastal views. Now I've linked the walk that we'd done during our stay in Astoria just here, so you'll be able to have a look. Around Astoria, and we saw some seals just over there, which was really cute. There's so much wildlife, which is fun, and we're now going to see if we can find some more seals and head over and sea lions and head over to the kind of town centre area and find some like things from the Goonies. But yeah, it's a bit of a weird place so far. Everywhere looks a little bit run down, a little bit quiet, but we'll see how it goes. I would like to show you his Goonies outfit. This is Sloth from the Goonies, and he's terrorising all the locals with his looks. So lucky it's Halloween, because otherwise I don't think we'll get away with it. I don't know if you can hear, but there's literally sounds of sea lions left, right and centre, and oh, maybe they're over there. We haven't seen them, but they're so loud. Wait, that's so weird. What? Just there, at least like 30 sea lions, and then they're all underneath here. I'm so confused. So sea lions do commonly migrate to Astoria, but locals have said that this is a record-breaking amount of sea lions. They never usually get this many, and it was really weird to see so many together and clumped in one area. The first time we saw one seal, we were really impressed, but honestly, this was just strange. House, and it's quite away from the port, but it's really cool to see. It's all intact and everything, and it's actually where someone lives, so you just need to make sure that you are staying nice and quiet and stuff. But yeah, it's nice, cool to see, and it's got a lovely view of Astoria. And we got some sweets
and some donuts,
trick-or-treating and donuts, but yeah, they were giving out some sweets, which was really cool. So we continued our journey into the old town centre of Astoria, and it just kept getting weirder and weirder. All of these shops were really quirky and I've never seen these types of shops in my life. We then got to some of the Goonie landmarks, including the prison, which is where the major breakout was, and it's really cool to see all the different props that they used during the film. You can go into this county jail because it is a museum for film, but we decided not to. But yeah, it was really awesome to see the cars and just kind of relive those memories in those films. Pretty much opposite the county jail, you'll also find the bowling alley, which is where they see the police race, and I thought that was really cool because it had little parts of the Goonies in the windows, and that was awesome. After that, we basically finished our journey here in Astoria and headed back to the cruise port. It was on and off raining and it was really cold here in late October, so we decided to head back to the ship for some food and celebrate Halloween. It's about like 2:30 now, so we spent I think a few hours out, but it was a little bit temperamental with the rain, so we couldn't spend too long out there. And just as we came back, there was lovely handcrafted stuff. So I got this little bird that was adorable, and there was also some glass making chopsticks. There was some glass making chopsticks, so it's really cool, and they're really affordable little souvenirs from our trip to Astoria. We're now going to have some lunch and enjoy the rest of the day on board. On our way out of Astoria, we headed into the Pacific Ocean again, and it took a turn and it was super stormy this day, as well as the sea day down to San Francisco. So Halloween was a bit of a fail, but NCO had an amazing Halloween display here in the buffet, which I'm showing now, including some trick-or-treating. And in the evening, we all dressed up as Pirates, our family, and there were loads of different people dressed up, from pumpkins to prisoners. Thank you so much for watching my video on what we got up to here in Astoria. Make sure to tune in next time for San Francisco.